unicorn? It's kind of dumb because we've done this already. We made it to Hampton. Oh my God, what a horrible... It wasn't even a sail because we were headed motoring fest.
Yeah.
It's supposed to take 3.5 hours?
4.5.
4.5, and it took us how long?
7?
Yeah, because we were against 20 knots of wind, against the current.
Yeah.
And waves.
Yeah.
It was miserable.
And then tomorrow we head over to Smithfield.
We can't wait.
Yeah, because we have a big family event going on, and from there, who knows?
I know. We're hoping.
Plans are maybe go north.
Yeah, maybe New York City. Okay, what's your name?
Elias.
Elias.
Yeah.
Anyway, we came ashore and realized Dennis's bike tires were totally flat. We had a little snafu with this bike, and we're running late, and we still have about a 30-minute ride to our doctor's appointment. So I don't know if we're gonna be on time, but we're gonna make it. Ah, okay, twist on. Oh, very good. This is what the dinghy looks like with both bikes, our panniers and backpack, and then you got to add 2 people. Look at that sexy one. Ah! We're in Hampton, Virginia. Short ride over. There's Gotfo. Look at those muscles. Those are heavy bikes.
Freaking way heavy.
I know. You make it look easy. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome, baby. It's not so much that they're heavy, it's just awkward.
Yeah.
It's like 55 pounds.
Of crazy. I do wish they had a method. These are the eVelo dash bikes, electric bike. We bungee cord it, but it'd be really great if they had a built-in locking mechanism to hold them closed and make it less awkward. Saw something shiny in the water, and it's one of those damn Mylar balloons. They're so bad for the fish, and he got it! Woo! Happy birthday!
It's my birthday. It's my birthday. I think since we hit Virginia waters, this is like the 3rd little Mylar balloon that we've seen floating in the waters.
But we got this one.
Yeah. James River Bridge, James River Bridge, James River Bridge. This is Gotfo. Over. We are about 15 minutes south of you, looking to go through the bridge since we have a 72-foot mast and head up the James River. Over. Could you say the last part again? Over.
We have to check our radio.
I don't know. You want to just call him?
I'm barreling toward this bridge, the James River Bridge. He said he's gonna open it. All the traffic is stopped and I'm still full force ahead, but I don't see the bridge opening. So we're gonna have to put on the brakes, so to speak, real soon here. It was funny though, because Dennis had called fortunately a couple of hours ago and he's like, hey, you gotta give 2 hours notice. And there's nothing in the comments that you have to give 2 hours notice. And we're like, yeah, we called you at 10:18. Thank God for phone logs. And he's like, oh, okay, well, I guess I'll open it for you. So note, if you're doing the James River Bridge, give them a call ahead of time. But it says max 60 feet.
Dude, that's when the bridge is down.
Okay. We look like we're gonna clear it?
We're gonna clear it. It goes up to like 100 with the lift up.
We're sitting here getting a balloon.
I didn't catch when he raised it.
I didn't either.
Smithfield Station Marina. Over.
And I guess it's gonna be just the two of us.
We are in Smithfield Station Marina. Cute, gorgeous little place. It's really tucked up in the Pagan River, which is off the James River. And as you can see, as you look across the way, that we are definitely at low tide. And we also know that we are at low tide because we only have that much water underneath us, which is really maybe only about 2 feet because the rudders stick out a little bit lower than the bottom of the boat. And I think that's the lowest number we've ever seen.
Crazy.
And good thing is that it's all mud around here, so
Yeah, even if we
we'll
touch.
just sink into it as opposed to scrape or bump on something.
What do you think of Smithfield Station, Shotzi? This place is so cute. We're in Smithfield, Virginia. We just docked our boat. Anyway, it's super cute. Just figured out the showers. They don't even lock them here, which is so cool. Anyway, so looking forward to exploring this cute little town of Smithfield, Virginia. So we just bought some amazing sourdough and zucchini bread from this wonderful place in Smithfield. And the best part is she's gonna bring us sourdough starter so we can make our own sourdough in the future. Gonna tell names?
Jody and Debbie.
Debbie. Thank you, Jody and Debbie. Appreciate it.
You take your cover off, which is these 5 screws. This plastic thing comes off. And then there's a small button right here beside this little memory card. And you just click it, because it'll be green right here when the power's on. And when you click it, it's going to turn to violet. And then that's in configuration mode. And then you go hit the button for 5 seconds, 5 to 10 seconds. Either button doesn't matter, just hold one.
Okay.
And it's supposed to give a startup signal, and then you're configured.
Okay.
Then you can come take it out of config mode, and you should be good to go.
And it is doing that, or it's not?
It's not.
It's not
I cannot get the buttons to link up.
Okay.
I can't believe they sent you the same card.
Power right here. You just hit the red button.
Okay.
And then you can come in here and you can unscrew it.
Yep.
And then this unscrews. And then if you follow the red and green, it comes right over to here, and I got them zip tied right here.
Okay.
And then it's four wires going into four other wires.
Okay.
Yep. And then what I do is just do one at a time.
Our overhead screen got stuck, so I pulled it off. You can see up that ceiling panel, 4 big fat screws, and then what it turned out to be is the roller right down on top of it. Yeah, the roller keeps coming off that nub, and that prevents it from retracting properly. So I just create like a little shim to hold that in place. And so then now,
Yay, and no more mosquitoes buzzing in our
Yeah.
ears in the middle of the night.
and that should stay in place, because when it gets remounted to the ceiling, there's a little 1/4-inch gap that the wood is much bigger and it won't fall out. So
You are so handy.
I got
Yay.
hands for you.
Hey.
I'm handy.
Yeah, you are. Again with the alcohol abuse.
It was a safety violation. Really? Yeah.
Pedal, pedal.
I'm dizzy because y'all are moving. Pedal!
You're not moving. You better hurry up.
Y'all
Don't
are
fall in. Don't fall over.
Just pedal, pedal, pedal. Pedal.
I can't do this anymore.
Fast before you stand.
Don't lean so much.
I'm coming. I'm done.
You did it! Woo! Look at cute.
Yeah, these all.
I know. It's so adorable.
Hopefully, we'll get some fuel along the way, do another quick weather check. It'd be nice to not have to motor on the way up there, but we'll see.
We just turned engines on and we're gonna leave Smithfield, Virginia and head to New York City. Goodbye, Smithfield, Virginia. Awesome place to stay. Highly recommend it.
Ha!